What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing a bit of undersealing. It's nothing major, it's just the back right side is common, just underneath the sill, a tiny bit of surface rust. So I'm going to get a wire brush that down and get the undersealing on. Before I purchased the car, the back left had already been done, and although undersealing is certainly not a styling prospect, it's been like put up and like this, almost like a back skirt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a piece of cardboard, draw around, cut around, and just the way it looks on the back left, which I'll show you now, there it is. I'm going to just put that exactly the same on the back right, just so it doesn't really look out of place. Here I am now, I've got the car on the back, so let's just get this started, guys. Leave a like, guys, comment below, anything you want to ask, as always, I'll answer it. Let's get into the video. Right, guys, so as said, this is the side that needs undersealing. The rust is underneath here. I've got a separate clip, I'll put that up now. As you can see, there's the surface rust, it's really not that bad. So yeah, I'm gonna get this, gonna give it a brush, get rid of most of that rust, that rhymed. And then I'm gonna bag the rest of the car up just so I don't get any overspray anywhere else. Then I'm gonna go around the other side, mark it up, and ready for the underseal. Right, guys, so I'm just going to slightly mark up on the car where I want the underseal to end and where I want it to end this side as well. Just so, like I said earlier, undersealing is not a styling prospect, but I just want it to look the same as the other side, so it just doesn't look odd. There we are, guys, so just some rough markings there. Obviously here and there, that's where I want the underseal to start, that's where I want it to end. Just for the sake now of putting the underseal on. Obviously behind here as well, underneath, and obviously this side here. It takes 30-40 minutes to dry. I'll then do a second coat, give that 30-40 minutes to dry, and let's get it on the way, guys. Right, guys, here we go, first coat. Don't say that's blocked straight the way. Right, guys, that's the first coat done there. Give it about 30-40 minutes to dry. After it's dried, give it a second coat and see how we look from there. Right, guys, that first coat there, it's dried nicely. Just for the sake of getting the second coat on now. And to be honest with you, after the second coat, I think it should be done. It does only recommend 2 coats, so second coat, I think it'll be done. Well, there we are, guys. There's the job done of the Underseal. Looks exactly the same as the other side. Like I said, Underseal, definitely not a styling prospect, but I just wanted it to look the same as the other side. But the job's done, what needed to be done. Rust, wire brushed off, Underseal, 2 coats, absolutely fine. Leave a like if you like the video, guys, if it helped you at all. Comment below any questions. Not that you need to know, but this is the first time I've ever done an Underseal job, so if you guys ever going to try it for your first time, really not that hard. It's just the sake of making sure you mask up the right places, spraying the Underseal from a 30cm distance, and just making sure left, right, equal coats. Don't overspray, guys, because you will get drips. If you need to do extra coats, it's really not a problem. But look, job done, as said. Subscribe if you haven't already, guys. Hit that notification for the next video. There is going to be plenty more videos coming with this micro. I've got so many ideas, so many modifications coming. So watch out, guys. As I say, hit that notification for the next video. Until next time, peace out and take care.